What is this crap? What is that? No, the car hasn't been washed in quite some time. I'm probably gonna say a month and a half. I've got bugs all over the windshield, all over the mirror. I don't even want to show you guys the front bumper, but oh my god! I just took the car through a car wash. It's been probably a month and a half since I last washed it. I hope this wind is not destroying the audio quality. I have the Rode mic on this, but you never know. So I'm going to use Adam's Ceramic Boost just to do a quick wipe down. I'll show you guys the spot-free rinse water that are on the touchless wash base. They're not really spot-free. There's always some residual like deposits that are in that water. So I'm gonna do a final wipe down with Ceramic Boost. Alright, so I took this through the drive-through car wash, like I said, and the spot-free rinse water always leaves little driblets behind, little remnants. You can see them a little better in person, but there's the mirror. Can you guys see that? The little water drops on it. So this is where Ceramic Boost always comes into play for me. I hardly use detail spray anymore. I think I have 1 or 2 gallons and a couple 16-ounce bottles full of detail spray, but I don't use it because Ceramic Boost is life. So I have my bottle here. This is a Ceramic Boost 2.0. This is a borderless gray plush microfiber towel from Adams. It's edgeless. It does have a thick pile on it. I don't remember the GSM. It might be 560 or 480. I don't know. I'll put the correct number here on the screen. But it's very, very, very soft. And what I like to do is fold it into 4s. See if I can do this with the wind. Oh yeah, just roll it up. Roll it up. There you go. Anyways, fold it into 4s best you can with one hand. The way I like to use it is spraying the product directly on the towel itself. Otherwise, like for today, and for instance, it's very windy. I have it parked over here in the shade. I've already done the passenger side, the roof, the trunk, everything, rear bumper, everything's done. But I haven't done the driver's side of just the 2 doors and the rear panel, quarter panel. So I'm gonna do that now, but I wanted to put it in the shade so it would cool off. You can use this in direct sunlight, but as every product, it's a lot easier to do it in the shade. You don't really have to buff anything off in the shade. To just spray and wipe formula. I've noticed in sunlight, it still has a tendency to not smear, but it still has a tendency to stick to the paint. A little more difficult than it would be in the shade. Nonetheless, it's still easy to use, a lot easier than the first version they came out with. So give this product a good shake here. Just a quick spritz. And just wipe it. Now a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. You don't need to spray and spray and spray and spray, you know, for each time you want to use it. But obviously the thinner you put it on, the easier it's going to wipe off. That's pretty much with every product these days. But you guys can see there's no more spots. There's no more remnants. Little water spots. Nothing there. Now going a little bit lower, you guys can see those little rinse-free water droplets. Now these are not etched into the paint because they aren't hard water. They're quote-unquote spot-free. And if you guys think spot-free water in a touchless wash is spot-free, then you guys are smoking crack. It's about 75% spot-free. At least it allows you to wipe it off cleanly. Flip the towel. What I like to do is to cross hatch the section that I just applied this. So I applied it going in a vertical manner, then I came back horizontally to wipe everything off. So you guys can see I'm not drowning this in product. It looks dark, but it's just gray. So if I'm not getting all this in the shot, I apologize. It's awkward to hold a camera kind of upside down and wipe and pay attention to where I'm wiping to make sure I'm getting everything covered. But I'm gonna go around the rest of the vehicle now, or the rest of the driver's side, and take all those spot-free water droplets off, and I'll show you guys the results. Alright guys, it is completely done now. The only thing I have left to do is wipe off the windshield. There's still some bug guts there, but everything else is wiped down, sealed with ceramic boost. And I know you guys can't really see much here, so what I'm gonna do is set this up and back out the car so it's in the sun, so you guys can see the reflection, the depth that the ceramic boost adds to the paint, as well as protection. It is in the sun now. You guys can see that paint is just popping. Now I still do have to go to every window and correct the water spots that are on that from 2 years ago. I never did correct those. I showed you guys in the last video how to get rid of water spots by hand without using a machine to do so. If you haven't checked that out, I'll put the link in the corner here. Make sure to check it out, and you can maybe do that to your windows yourself. So look at that, look at that. Ooh, now there's still something right here in the paint that I gotta correct. I don't know what happened there, but and wipe down the windows. But look at that. Ooh my god, really? Freaking leaf. Look at that paint. Oof, the pearl is popping. Look at this, look at this. Oh my gosh. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, make sure to subscribe, drop a comment below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.